Welcome to the OmniaX lung recording tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your device and perform your lung sounds recording using OmniaX. Begin by setting up your OmniaX lung sounds recording device. Snap the phone holder into the adapter clip. Place your phone securely into the adapter clip. Make sure the stethoscope attachment is properly aligned with your phone's bottom microphone. Once connected correctly, your device is ready for recording. Go to Health Tracking in your Salubra MD app, tap Add New Measurement, and select OmniaX. Select Lungs. Follow the on-screen instructions to prepare for your recording. Before starting your exam, the app will perform a short test recording to confirm your setup is working properly. Make sure to place the stethoscope firmly against your lungs before beginning the recording. Once the setup check is complete, you can proceed with your recording. Complete the full 20-second duration of the recording. Once the recording is done, proceed with the audio check. After the sounds have been captured, use the Notes section to record any observations or comments related to the test. When you're done, simply click Save. View your saved recordings anytime in the Salubra MD app.